So in this video we are going to learn about decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Decimal is nothing but any number to the base 10. Hexadecimal is nothing but any number to the base 16. So the general rule for decimal to any number conversion is decimal conversion. Decimal to any number is nothing but divide by the base of the number, required number. If it is hexa, divided by 16. So we'll understand this by using an example problem. So convert the decimal number 254 to hexadecimal 16. So how to solve it? So simply divide the number 254 by using 16. So 16 into 15 we get 240. That is the nearby number here. So 16 into 15 we get 240. 254 minus 240 is nothing but 14 is the remainder here. You can I will tell you this. Then again divided by 16. 15 is smaller than 16, so we'll write as it is. 15 is the remainder here. You cannot write 15 as the hexadecimal number. For this, if you have watched my introduction to number system in digital electronics video, you'll understand this. So after 9 is represented as 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It is represented after 9. It is 10 is represented as A, 11 is represented as B, 12 C, 13 D, 14 E, 15 F. So the value of this the number 254 in hexadecimal is given by 14. What is 14 here? E. What is 15 here? F. So this is the MSB. So the answer is F. E is the answer. So what if the case is 0.25 something? So we will understand a problem which has decimal value in it using an example. 25.625 with a base 10 converted to hexadecimal. So how to convert it? Consider it as two separate parts and solve the problem. Consider 25 as separately and 0.625 separately. Divide this with the base value 16. What you'll get? 16 divided by 25. 16 ones are 16. The remainder here is 9. So again divided by 16. It is not possible. Simply write the remainder as 1. This is the MSB. The value here is 19. So how to convert this 0.625 into hexadecimal? So if you have watched the other conversion videos as well, you will get it. So here before the point we are going to divide it by the base value. That the base value here is 16. After the point we are going to multiply it with the base value. That the base value here is 16. 0.625 into 16 you get 10.000. In the rule here is you should go on multiplying with the base value 16 until you get 0 after the point, after the decimal point. If I not got 0 here, if I got some value x, y, z here, I'll take the value x, y, z. I am not going to take the value before the point. After the point, that is x, y, z, 0.xyz into 16. Then I'll get value a, b, something value, and if I get 0 here, I'll stop it there. So this is the condition here. I got 0 here only, therefore I have stopped the calculations here. Then I'll take the value that is before the point, that is 10. So now I cannot write 10 in decimal point. So 10 is written in hexadecimal as A. So the final answer here is 19.A is the hexadecimal value of 25.625 in decimal. So this is the hexadecimal value of this. Thank you for watching this video.